everyone, and welcome to a new video. Hello. Look at all these. I wanted to do a video with these really pretty inkies that I got. I don't know if that's what they're called. Alcohol inks. There's lots of different names for them, but they make like watercolor things. So we're going to do that. Let's do it. So first I have my tips. These ones I am using up. This one I'm going to start with black as my base, and I wanted to do like a smoked or smoky effect with this. So we're going in with the black first. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. And next we are taking our white, and I'm just going to pop it on the nail in no particular order, just like a swoosh, making sure that there's plenty on there. And then what I've got now is my isopropyl alcohol. I was trying to show you there, but the bottle was too big. And I'm getting a little brush loaded with isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just smushing it around with the alcohol and moving it to make it look like a smoky effect, kind of. You do have to wipe off your brush sometimes in between and pick up some more alcohol, because obviously it all gets stuck on there. So I do fanny around with this for a little while, getting it quite right, so bear with, and I'll be back once I finish messing. So that's the last bit there, and then once you're happy you can pop it in the lamp to cure. And here it is. So now we're going to take our Inkies, and these ones were from AliExpress. They weren't a particular brand, so I'm just taking this yellow one here and just placing random dots. I didn't really know what I was doing, if I'm honest. This video there's no structure to it as such. It was just a case of I just wanted to play with the new Inkies to see what effects we could get. You can probably do a lot more with these, but I've not seen a video on them yet. Or I think I did see a few videos actually, and now I'm going with the green. I did see a few videos on using Inkies, and I've forgotten what I was going to do with them when they arrive, because sometimes when you're ordering from like AliExpress and places like that, you know, it can take months for them to arrive, and then because of our house move they've been sat in a drawer untouched, and I've only just got them out, and I can't remember what I bought them for, what I wanted to use them for, and in what design. But hey ho, I'm just putting random colours on here and hoping for the best, if I'm honest. So now I've got a pink colour, and there's loads of colours actually. I think there's about 12 that I got all together. So I just picked out the ones that were all different really, because there was different shades of purple, different shades of red and orange, and you know, so just placing them on wherever, hoping for the best, and then curing. I didn't think it looked too bad in the end really. Yeah, now again you have to be careful with these because it is alcohol inks, so you need to float over your top coat, otherwise you're going to drag it and it will just make a bloody mess. Floaty, don't push too hard, get it in the lamp as quick as you can. Quick woman, go. Next, white base for this one. Pretty straightforward, pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Faff. It looks like I need some more white actually, doesn't it? I think I need to put that on my shopping list. Need more white. Get random bits out of polish in the lamp. Here it is. Now, this, I actually like the way it turned out, and I'd literally just, I had no rhyme or reason to the way I was doing this. I just plonked it on the nail with some squiggles. Obviously that one was the purple, and I only used 2 colours for this one, and this is the pink. I do like the way this one turned out. Oh, it ran away with me there, but that's okay, we can fix that. Oh, sorry, my cat is jumping on the table. No, don't start arguing. Come on, no fighting. Yeah, so I just keep working on it, just keep adding, moving the brush around. It's quite cool actually, the way they work. I wanted to get rid of the majority of the white. I didn't want lots of white peeking through with this, but you would, yeah. So, yeah, I thought that was quite nice actually. And now we're going to top coat. I'm not going to mess about with it anymore. I like what's happened. Oh, sorry, the cat's jumped in the damn box. Get out. I like what I've done here, and again, floaty top coat. This one was really simple, but I loved the way it turned out. You know, it was no faff. Probably would have gone with the set that I've got on actually. Get it in. Next one, another wide base. Yeah, that last nail that I just did would have actually gone quite well as an accent now with this colour that I've got on now, this pinky candy Barbie colour, whatever you want to call it. Sorting random bits of fluff and dust. Okay, this time we're going to use a matte top coat, and the reason I'm using a matte top coat on this one is because I recorded this many times and deleted it because I wasn't happy with the finish. So I thought, I know, to stop it running away with me too much, I'm going to matte top coat it first. So that's what I did in the end. Now I apologise for this nail. I do faff an awful lot, and I wasn't overly happy with the outcome, but I'll let you watch it. I was trying to create some kind of flowers with this. They looked a bit like watercolour flowers, but remember, this is the first time I've used these, so you guys have got to give me a bit of slack here. They turned out okay. It wasn't horrible. It wasn't meant to be neat either, so... But let me know what you think when you've watched it till the end, whether you liked this or not. It could do with some more practice, there's no doubt about it. And maybe watch a few more videos to perfect it a little bit more, because it was very rough around the edges, literally. So with these inks, you do have to wait until the one that you've put down has dried a little bit and absorbed, because if you don't, when you go to place the next petal next to it, it'll all start to run into each other and makes a big old bloody mess. What I've got now is a brush with some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just rubbing it on. I'm trying to create petal outlines, so by pushing it around like that, it makes darker lines around the edges. Does that make sense? So I'm getting rid of the middle bits and making them a bit darker around the edges, or trying to. Probably failing miserably. Probably some of you looking at this going, what the hell is that woman doing? Yeah. I'm just dibbing and dabbing here and there, really. I may look like I know what I'm doing, but honestly I don't. I mean, it's not too bad. If you'd have seen the attempts that I did before, you would think that this one was pretty good, even though it's not. But it's okay, you know. It's like a watercolour flower, I suppose. And then I'll go on to do some more And rather than doing a full flower, I just do the edges of a flower as if it were like a continuous print. I do faff with this a lot actually, so I'm going to sit here and let you watch the rest of this in peace without me babbling on, because I'm just moving the brush around and using alcohol and creating a dot in the middle with the yellow. Sorry, I had a shot there. I obviously must notice at some point and bring it back. There we go. Well done, that girl. That's not so bad, is it? I don't know. Let's faff some more with some isopropyl alcohol. Yes, let's do that. Because that will just be brilliant. Because it makes it look like we know what we're doing. If you can see marks on my own nails now, I completely buggered them up. And it was a fresh manicure as well. Buggered them up with the inks and the isopropyl alcohol, and now they're all stained. The pink's all stained and patchy, and they look shit. But I can't be bothered to do them again. Such is the life of a nail tech, hey? It looks all nice, and then we do our clients' nails and we scuff our own nails and blah blah blah, get paint on them, whatever. At least I took a good picture of them though before I ruin them. It's the main thing, isn't it? The portfolio. Who cares about what they look like on your hands? Okay, I'm joking. Obviously I'm joking. There you go. What do you think? Is it bad? So I've just cured it, and now I'm going to top it with gloss. It might actually look nice in matte as well, you know, because it's meant to be like a watercolour. As you can see, I'm floating. Floaty, floaty. Yeah, it might look matte. It might look nice with a matte top coat as well. As I was going for a watercolour effect with this particular design. So you could do whatever, really, I suppose. Both would look good. There it goes, in the lamp. Not my best piece of artwork, but hey ho, we're having a play. And we're going to get another one now with a white base for the next nail. I can't remember whether this is the last nail or not. I'll remember in a minute. Here it is. Oh, no, it's gone again. Oh, yes, that's because I decided to use blooming gel this time. This one's from Born Pretty. And actually, in hindsight, remembering this now, I don't think you probably needed to use blooming gel. Or if you did want to use it and you didn't have any, I am told on the grapevine that you can use like a rubber base or some kind of thick base gel to get the same effect. Although it's not quite as spready as it spreads. You'll see. With this one, this is the last nail. This one again, it's just, let's call it abstract. Abstract would be best because it just translates to, I don't know what the F I am doing. And I'm just faffing. So yeah, I was going to go for like a marble effect with this, but once I started putting it on with the blooming gel, I realised that I wasn't going to get the effect that I had in my mind. So I just kept adding and wiping and adding and wiping. And in the end, it turned into some kind of like grey smoked effect. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, and now I'm grabbing some alcohol on a brush and just dabbing that around too and just seeing what that does. It spreads it out more. Yeah. I honestly did not know how this was going to turn out once I started messing about with it, or what I wanted. But I thought, you know what, rather than trying to get it perfect in the idea that I wanted in my mind, let's just work with it. Let's just go with it and see how it turns out, because it may be really good or it may be really shit. Again, let me know down below in the comments. Do you like it or not? It turned out okay in the end, I think. More ink, because clearly I took too much off with the alcohol. Bit more dabbing with alcohol. Not really knowing what we're doing. Oh, okay, we're going in with some more ink. See, I told you it was very faffy, this one. And it starts to run everywhere, and you just think, oh my bloody god, what the hell? But we're just going to keep adding and removing and repeat, add, remove, repeat. I don't know what it is. It's not marble, it's not smoke. It's something. I just don't know how to describe it. And that was it. It's come out the lamp now. I've cured it for a full 60 seconds. And we're going to matte it. This one. Again, floating it just in case because you don't want to be dragging it, especially not when you've faffed around with it for the last half an hour. So that's that one out the lamp now, and it's matted. It doesn't look too bad, does it? Does it? I don't know. Anyway, that's the full set. Yeah, so it's not too bad for the first attempt. Let me know what you think, guys. And there they all are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.